The next great event which will be discussed is mentioned in chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 38.
We said, "Go down from it, all of you. And when guidance comes to you from me, whoever follows my guidance, there will be no fear concerning them, nor will they grieve."
This discusses when the holy prophet Adam, peace be upon him, was sent to earth from paradise after he was tricked by the devil. In life, a Muslim will always face either times of ease or times of difficulty. No one experiences times of ease without experiencing some difficulties. But the thing to note is that even though difficulties are hard to deal with, they are in fact a means to obtain and demonstrate one's true greatness and servanthood to Allah, the Exalted. In addition, in the majority of cases, people learn more important life lessons when they face difficulties than when they face times of ease. And people often change for the better after experiencing times of difficulty than times of ease. One only needs to reflect on this in order to understand this truth. In fact, if one studies the Holy Quran, they will realize the majority of the events discussed involve difficulties. This indicates that true greatness does not lie in always experiencing times of ease. It in fact lies in experiencing difficulties while remaining obedient to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This is proven by the main verse under discussion, and by the fact that each of the great difficulties discussed in Islamic teachings end with ultimate success for those who obeyed Allah, the Exalted. So a Muslim should not be bothered about facing difficulties, as these are just moments for them to shine while acknowledging their true servanthood to Allah, the Exalted, through sincere obedience. This is the key to ultimate success in both worlds. The main verse also makes it clear that simply believing in Islam is not good enough, as success is promised only to those who follow the guidance of Allah, the Exalted, practically. This involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Finally, this verse also confirms that Muslims will face difficulties in this world, but if they remain firm on the sincere obedience of Allah, the Exalted, they will not be overcome by them. Meaning, they will face situations which scare them, but their fear will not overcome them. They will face stress and sadness, but it will not push them to grief. They will therefore obtain a balanced state of mind and body, which is a vital ingredient for obtaining peace of mind and body. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.